Alright crew, so welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to try to go ahead and finish up these headlight buckets, and I'm also show you the wiring that it does to take these to do these buckets here. I actually got a harness. It's a heavy duty wiring harness that is basically just plug and play. You basically plug them into the back of your headlight, but first we got to put ours together and we're going to set it in place, and we're going to go ahead and get that done today. Alright, let's get right into this video, guys. So basically this is my bucket. You guys, as you guys know, I had to go and purchase these buckets because I did not have them on hand, so they finally came in. And one cool thing about this bucket here was like $79. Pretty expensive, but you know, I went on ahead and just got it. Now my other bucket did not come with these little hooks on it there. So I don't know if we're gonna have to cut those off, but first we're gonna go ahead and set it in place to see. Now with this bucket, I have to do some modifications. Since I got a heavy duty harness, the harness actually go through here, and your light will go on top of this. So we will have to cut a hole in the back of this. I put a grommet on it, and this wire we will not use, okay? Because the harness goes right in the back of your light. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out. So we're gonna use this grommet. We're gonna go in the back here. I'll probably try to center it the best I can. Put all those shavings in the trash. So now we gotta grommet. It fell on the ground. And so our grommet will fit straight in the back of that like that. Alright. Alright, so these tabs, let me see if you can see these tabs here that's on this. Like I said, it wasn't on my other ones. So we don't need these tabs. So I'm gonna go ahead and on the back of them, they got little rivets. Yeah, they got little rivets back here. We're gonna grind these down and take these off. Off just like that. So we cut the little rivets off, as you see. So now we'll be able to just place this in the truck. Alright, so in order for us to put this in the bucket, we have to use what they call the U-clips, like this here. I got this at Harbor Freight. We'll put these inside, and then these screws will screw into them. Alright, like that there. So let's go over to the truck and put them on. Alright, so it's a little dark, so we got the U-clips in. Put them in the back. You can see one here. We got 5 of them in there. See if we can focus in on it. Alright, so now we have to put our bucket in there. Alright, so that bucket is good and secure on there. Now we need to bring our harness through here. Let me see if I can grab it. So these are the halogen lights that we're going to use from United Pacific. And basically with this here, you won't have to use those LED lights, or you don't have to use a certain type of flasher. They just come in like this here, in which they're awesome lights, man. They look really good on your vehicle. I got them on my 53 panel truck, 12 volt, and in the back they got like a rubber grommet that just pushes right in place with the 3 prongs. So we'll just hook that right up into our wiring harness. And we don't want to forget the beauty ring, and this will go over your light. Let's see, just like this here, just like that, for your beauty ring. So whenever we hook this up, we have like little notches that's on the light, and these notches will fit into these little grooves here. So first, let's go ahead and hook this up. Right in place there, just like that. And then we'll take a beauty ring. A beauty ring here. Now the last step in getting your headlights to fit properly is that you need the headlight bezel, and you also need the headlight bezel retaining clips to go in there. In the inside, it's a I guess a bezel seal that you need, and there's no easy way of doing this bezel or the bezel seal. I'll show you guys how I do it. They have a soft one, and they also have a hard one with a steel rod in it, and that's the ones that I like to use because they're a lot sturdier. So let's go ahead and try to put this together. Alright, so first thing first, we're going to take the bezel out of here. Like I said, there's no easy way of doing this. And like I said, this is just kind of tedious, and be careful, man. I tell you what, on this lip here, because this lip is razor sharp. Ask me how I know. Alright, so first thing you want to do is try to form that ring, your gasket in here, the best you can, because that's why I like to get the steel mesh in there. I'll cut it so you can see, because I'm pretty sure, well, I don't want to cut it no more, but I can cut it just to show you what I'm talking about a little bit here. It has a steel, like a little metal rod in there. See that? Right there. That's what makes you form this here. So, and I got these little clips here. These little clips to keep it in place, to make sure it goes where I want it to go. Now you can see how I got that around in there, okay? So if you look in these little grooves, it's a little groove inside. Let me see if I can show it to you. It's a little groove right inside there. All right, I'm gonna get a light so you can see that groove that I'm talking about. You see it's a groove right in here. That's what your bezel clip's gotta fit inside of it. So let's open up this package so I can show you how this works. Like I said, this is the most tedious little process, but it needs to be done. And if you don't do it right, you'll never be able to get your ring on your bucket. So the first thing is, as you see a hole here, that's the bottom of your ring, all right? And then the top, you have a clip that goes like this here. Let me see if I can get that. See that little hook right there? That hook will fit on the inside of your bucket. So you want to go straight across, and that's why I put these down. Let me see if we can get one here to fit. You got to go inside. Do a little groove right there. And then it'll spread apart. Now you can also slide these a little bit once it's on there. And it pops right in place just like that. See how that pops into place? Inside that groove. So now I should be able to move this one here. It shouldn't go anywhere. Alright, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the other ones in place. That goes like that there. See if you guys can see that. Like that. So now we should better take these little clips off. Alright, and that's how it should look. Alright. Now I'm going to show you that one clip that I was talking about. It'll fit down in here in that little groove. See that there? Alright, and then the bottom one, you got a screw bolt right there. See, right there. And then you screw the other one in that one. Alright, let's go ahead and see if we can hook it up. Snap that down in there like that. And that goes over. And we'll put a screw in the bottom. And that's all she wrote. And we already did the driver's side. This is the passenger, and we already did the driver's side here. Alright guys, so basically step-by-step procedure on how you put your headlight buckets in with a little bit of modifications. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, like I tell you guys, you know, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to help me out. We're doing a lot of things over here at Resto's Mods Garage. And hey, I just want to thank you guys for watching all the videos and supporting my channel. So until next time guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.